everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan and this is Becoming a Therapist. Today I'm going through some really easy National Counselor Exam concepts. If you have to study for the NCE and you have no idea where to start and everything is seeming really confusing right now, this is the video for you. Solutions-focused brief therapy. A counseling approach that emphasizes finding solutions in the present and exploring the client's strengths, rather than focusing on past problems. Reflecting. A technique where the counselor mirrors back what the client is expressing, particularly their emotions, to help the client feel understood and to encourage deeper exploration. Reframing. A cognitive technique where the counselor helps the client see situations, thoughts, or feelings from a different perspective, often to create a more positive or realistic view. Termination. The final phase of counseling, where the counselor and the client review progress, plan for future challenges, and say goodbye. Attending behavior. Verbal and nonverbal behaviors like eye contact, nodding, and open posture that demonstrate the counselor's focus and engagement with the client. Confrontation. A technique where the counselor gently challenges the client's inconsistencies or contradictions in a supportive way to foster self-awareness and change. Rapport building. The process of establishing a trusting and respectful relationship with the client, which is crucial for effective counseling. Mirroring. The counselor's reflection of the client's verbal and nonverbal behaviors, helping the client feel understood and validated. Paraphrasing. Restating the client's message in the counselor's own words to show understanding and clarify the client's thoughts and feelings. Motivational interviewing. A client-centered directive method for enhancing intrinsic motivation to change by exploring and resolving ambivalence. Therapeutic alliance. The collaborative relationship between the counselor and the client, characterized by mutual trust, respect, and a shared commitment to the client's goals. Active listening. A communication technique that involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what the client says to foster understanding and trust. Resistance. Behaviors exhibited by the client that hinder progress in therapy, such as avoiding topics, missing sessions, or minimizing issues. Unconditional positive regard. A non-judgmental, accepting attitude that the counselor provides to the client, which helps create a safe environment for self-exploration and growth. Attachment theory. A psychological model that describes the dynamics of long-term interpersonal relationships, particularly how early attachment with caregivers affects emotional development and relationships in adulthood. Informed consent. The process of educating the client about the nature, purpose, risks, and potential benefits of counseling, ensuring their agreement to participate. Systemic therapy. A form of therapy that looks at the individual in the context of their relationships, particularly family systems, and how these impact behavior and mental health. Psychodynamic therapy. An approach that explores the influence of the unconscious mind and past experiences on current behavior and emotions. Crisis intervention. Short-term assistance provided to individuals in immediate distress, aimed at restoring equilibrium and preventing long-term psychological trauma. Cognitive behavioral therapy. A structured, time-limited approach that addresses dysfunctional emotions, behaviors, and cognitions through goal-oriented systematic procedures. Thanks everyone for coming to my channel and watching this video. I hope this video has helped you build at least some confidence that you know a few things that might be on the National Counselor Exam. If you're interested in some more in-depth National Counselor Exam prep and review stuff, please check out my channel.